Hello friends, in this video we're gonna see how to update DNS records in Cloudflare with automatic and manual configuration. Let's get started with the intro. If you have already updated hosting records in domain seed, then choose this automatic configuration option. By choosing this option, it will fetch all the DNS records from domain to Cloudflare directly. Enter a domain here, then choose the quick scan for DNS records option. Then click continue to proceed. Please wait for a few seconds to fetch the records. Once the record is fetched, you can see the DNS records in the below. Now scroll down a little, click continue to activation option. Here it will show Cloudflare name server. Copy both name server and update the name server in your domain. Once updated, please wait for a propagation to complete. In manual configuration, you have to update DNS records one by one. Enter the domain name here, then choose the manual DNS records option. Here, click continue to proceed. To add the DNS records, click add record option. In the name field, enter @ It will take the domain name automatically. In the IPv4 field, enter your website year record. Click save option. To add the CNAME record, choose the record type as CNAME. In the name field, enter www. In the target field, enter your domain name. Then click save option. To update the FTP record, choose the record type as A. In the name field, enter FTP. In the IPv4 field, enter your website year record and click save option. To update the MX record, choose the record type as MX. In the name field, enter @ In the hostname value, enter MX hostname value. If the MX record has priority, enter the priority and click save option. Next, we will see how to update mail CNAME record. Choose the record type as CNAME. In the name, enter the mail host name. In the record value, enter the mail record value and click save option. To update the TXT record, choose the record type as TXT. Name, enter @ In the record value, enter TXT value and click save option. To update the DKIM TXT record, choose the record type as TXT. In the name, enter the DKIM host name. In the record value, enter the DKIM record value. Then click save option. Cross-check all the records once, then click continue to activation. In final step, you will see Cloudflare name server. Copy the both name server, then update it in domain. Once the DNS record is added, the final step is to enable SSL certificates in Cloudflare. In the SSL or TLS section, click configure option. You will see the Cloudflare SSL certificates. Choose the full stick SSL option. By choosing this option, you will get SSL certificate from browser, Cloudflare and server. Here, click save option to save the settings. If this video helps you, please like, comment. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more informative videos.